In this recurrence relation limits question, there's an important point to note, and this one particularly in the statement at the end. So let's look at it. A car radiator holds 10 pints of water when full. Each month 18% of the water is lost, and the owner adds 1 pint of water to top up the radiator. If the water level drops below 5 pints, the engine could be damaged by overheating. Is the car in danger? As before, first thing you need to do is write your recurrence relation. So u of n plus 1 equals, now we're dropping by 18%, so that leaves us at 82%. So multiplier 0.82, u of n, and then owners adds 1 pint of water to top up, so add 1. Starting value is 10. Same as before, this multiplier is between -1 and 1, so a limit exists. Make sure you write that sentence in. U of n and u of n plus 1 both become L, so write that down. And then let it happen. Let that be L and this be L, that's your limit. So we've got 1 and 0.8 L, we're trying to solve this for L, so subtract 0.82 from 1 to get 1. So that's going to be 0.18 L equals 1. Divide by 0.18. Insert a calculator, multiplied by 100, top and bottom, 5.6. Now let's read the question again. If the water level drops below 5 pints, the engine could be damaged by overheating. Is the car in danger? The mistake here is that the limit's 5.6, that's not below 5 pints, it's absolutely fine. Let's make our statement. Eventually the level of the water settles at 5.6 pints. So the same as before, start with eventually, settles at, and then change this bit according to the question. But here's the difference here. Prior to topping up by 1 pint, the level of water drops to 4.6. If you look at the recurrence relation, we've got a plus 1 here. So to get this to 5.6 pints, this part here, or this value here, this all must have came to 4.6. So 4.6 plus 1 takes you back to 5.6. Multiply by 0.82, you get 4.6, and then add 1 to get 5.6. So if it drops to 4.6 pints, before the guy tops up, the car's in danger. So it will be overheating if that happens. So it's important to look at the recurrence relation like that. Look at what the add-on or the takeaway value is, because there is a value that happens prior to that. It's important to take into account when you're talking about limits.